In this video, I'm going to show you how to release the outside of your thigh using a foam roller. So we're going to put the elbow of the side that you want to release onto the mat. Insert the foam roller underneath the thigh on that side and bring the top leg up so that the foot is just past the foam roller. We're going to take weight through the elbow and the foot and also the hand on the top side of the body. When in that position, I want you to try and relax the muscles on the thigh. This will feel quite counterintuitive because it will penetrate deeper into the muscle and become a little bit more painful. You will get more release though if you can relax the muscle. So once you're happy that the muscle's relaxed, we're going to roll forwards and backwards across the fibres of the muscle, dragging tissue from side to side, and we'll do 10 sweeps. After the 10th, position yourself on the worst point on the circumference of the thigh and you will tack and stretch the muscle. So we'll do another 10 knee flexion, knee extension movements. Once you've done 10 of each, you can pick a different point on the circumference of the thigh or the length of the thigh. I'm going to move a little higher up towards the hip and I would just repeat the process again. Keep checking in that you're relaxing the muscles every time you do it because that's where you'll get the most effective release.